Are you concerned about the safety of your home or business? In an era where security is paramount, having the right surveillance setup is crucial. Join us as we delve into the world of security cameras, exploring the latest technology and best practices to safeguard your premises effectively. Stay with us, we will explore the top 5 Amazon Solar security cameras. Before we dive in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. Amazon Solar Security Camera at number 5 is the wireless outdoor security camera. Experience unparalleled surveillance with this wireless outdoor security camera. Boasting a 2K resolution and solar-powered battery, it ensures crisp, uninterrupted monitoring with minimal maintenance. Its 360 degrees PTZ capability provides comprehensive coverage, while color night vision enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Equipped with PIR motion detection, it swiftly alerts you to any suspicious activity. With two-way audio and compatibility with Alexa, you can interact with visitors or control your camera effortlessly, making it an essential addition to your home security setup. At number 4, it is FOAOOD wireless outdoor security cameras. Enhance your home security with the FOAOOD wireless outdoor security cameras. These solar-powered and battery-operated cameras offer versatile surveillance options for any environment. Featuring color night vision and PIR human detection, they ensure clear monitoring and prompt alerts, day or night. With two-way talk functionality, you can communicate with visitors or deter potential intruders remotely. Built to withstand the elements, these cameras boast an IP66 waterproof rating, while their seamless 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity guarantees easy setup and reliable performance. Number 3. Wireless outdoor floodlight solar cameras. Experience advanced home security with these wireless outdoor floodlight solar cameras. Offering color night vision, they ensure clear visibility even in low-light conditions, enhancing surveillance efficacy. With built-in PIR human detection technology, they intelligently detect and alert you to potential threats, providing peace of mind. Featuring two-way talk functionality, you can communicate with visitors or deter intruders remotely. IP66 waterproof rating ensures durability, while options for SD card or cloud storage offer flexible data management solutions, making these cameras an essential addition to any home security setup. Number 2. eufy Security SoloCam S220. The eufy Security SoloCam S220 redefines outdoor security with its innovative features and cutting-edge technology. Powered by solar energy, this wireless outdoor camera ensures continuous operation, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. Its 2K resolution delivers crystal-clear images, providing enhanced clarity for monitoring your property. With seamless 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can access live feeds and recordings without any monthly fees. Number 1. eufy Security SoloCam S340. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 is a revolutionary addition to home security systems, offering unparalleled peace of mind. With its solar-powered design, this wireless outdoor camera ensures uninterrupted surveillance, even in remote locations. Boasting a 360 degrees pan and tilt feature, it eliminates blind spots, providing comprehensive coverage of your property. Operating on a reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, it offers seamless connectivity without the hassle of monthly fees. This is it for today's video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.